Thank you.
Dr. Daniel Singer, please come onto the stage.
काशी इधर आकर लाना उधर कर ला
Professor Dr. Dennis Gibson.
This is the time of the meeting where there's total insurrection and the speakers start taking control. And we were subject to all the requests of our organisers here, now it's going to do it. We've had a super meeting, and I've got my own shields to personally give people. Nick, I'd like you to come up here, and Ahmed, where are you? Ahmed? So, the significant focus of the meeting has been on education, and I know this is a very old-fashioned way of delivering education, but there is an online version, and this is a copy of my new textbook, Medicine for Finals and Beyond, and this is for Sarah, this is for Samara, this is for Ahmed, and this is for Nihat, I hope. And August, Nikat, I got a lot of comments and criticism about endless WhatsApps and emails I send when I'm sitting in a traffic jam in London and something comes to mind. I thought, rather than writing the best wishes, which I have done, and I said to Nikat, what should I write? And I said, well, I wanted to write, and I wrote, at ki dost kar shikarai, at ki kam ki lagan kam al hai. Is that good? Anyway, with friendship and with best wishes.
Thank you so much, John. Let me just decipher this for the audience. So John is saying, "Aapki dosti ka shukriya, aapki kaam ki lagan kamal." This Nicholas had, translated for him. And John, we are so honored. Thank you so much.